Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is a delicious prawns biryani. The taste is absolutely incredible, which is a must try. So let's get into the recipe and see how you are going to make this delicious prawns biryani. Heat 1 tablespoon of ghee and 2 tablespoons of oil in a deep and wide pan. And add whole spices, 2 small pieces of cinnamon, 4 cardamom, 4 cloves, half teaspoon of black peppercorns, a pinch of fennel seeds and bay leaf. Saute for few seconds. Into this add 5 medium large onion, finely sliced, and cook till it becomes brown. Add 2 tablespoons each of crushed ginger and garlic and 5 crushed green chilies. Cook till the raw smell goes, about 3 to 4 minutes. Into this add the masala powders, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 3 teaspoons of coriander powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon of fennel powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, fry for 2 to 3 minutes till oil starts appearing. Add 2 chopped tomatoes and cook till it becomes soft. Grind together chopped mint and coriander leaves 1/3 cup each, yogurt and soaked cashew nuts to a smooth paste, and add this to the masala and mix well. Add 500 grams of cleaned and deveined prawns, salt
and mix well. Cover and cook till prawns is done and water is dried, about 12 to 15 minutes. No need to add water while cooking prawns. Heat 1 to 2 tablespoons of ghee in a wide and deep pan. Add the whole spices, 4 cardamoms, 4 cloves, 1 bay leaf and a small cinnamon stick. Cook for a few seconds and add 2.5 cups of soft and clean rice and fry for 3 to 4 minutes. Now add 4.5 cups of water, 1.5 tablespoon of lemon juice and salt. Mix well. Bring to a boil and cover and cook till the rice is done. I have pressure cooked the rice for 1 whistle on medium flame and then release the pressure after 5 minutes. Once the rice is cooked, spread it out on a big tray and cool it before layering. In between, check the prawns masala and when it is done, turn off the flame. Grease a deep and wide pressure cooker with ghee. Spread a layer of rice and sprinkle chopped mint and coriander if using, and fried onions on top of it. Spread a layer of prawns masala followed by rice and toppings, that is mint, coriander leaves, ghee and fried onion. Repeat the layering process until the rice and the masala is completely used. The top layer has to be rice. Close the cooker and put on the weight. Heat a tawa on medium flame and place the cooker on top of the tawa. Cook for 10 minutes and then turn off the flame. Open and serve. Garnish with fried onions, cashew nuts and mint and coriander leaves. The very tasty and delicious prawns biryani is now ready. Serve hot and enjoy with papad, raita Do try out this recipe and share with your friends and families. See you with more videos. Until then, bye bye.